This was yesterday. Can you believe our luck?
हम निकले और उसी दिन स्नोफॉल हो जानी थी.
So we've come here to Coorg now, and when in Coorg, there's only one thing to do.
Drink all the coffee possible.
We checked in here at Club Mahindra. Welcome drink में.
जैगरी वाली कॉफी थी.
And this is coffee number 3. After this, first we go to a coffee plantation. Let's head out and explore Coorg. To be a warrior, one must eat like a warrior. A common adage found throughout the 1,000-year-old Kodawa legacy. The indigenous people of Coorg or Kodagu, Kodawas have been kings, agriculturists, coffee growers, hunters, and warriors. In the corner of the crowd. We had but one day to confirm the proverb. So, we went to the source of it. Hello.
Hi sir.
Hi.
I'm Murugesh बोल के.
Murugesh, hi. Pleasure.
आप लोग सर.
I'm Sharan, she's Shagun.
ओके. कहाँ से आ रहे हैं सर?
Mumbai.
बम्बई. अच्छा. इस हफ्ता काफ़ी फ्लावर सर. वाइट अभी काफ़ी फ्लावर आ रहा है. ये तोड़ के कहते हैं साथ में इनका ड्राई कराता है. ड्राई करने के मिशन में डालता है. मिशन में डालने के बाद छिलका का होता है, बीन का होता है. ये टाइप छिलका का बीन का होता है.
This is the coffee bean.
या मैम. ये
तो
रोस्ट.
वो जब काला होता है उसको रोस्ट करते हैं.
ये वाइट वाला रोस्ट कराता है. रोस्ट करने के आपका काला होता है. काला बाद में आपका आरोमा आता है, खुशबू आता है.
Interestingly, the bean is actually white when they pluck it.
Yeah.
When they roast it, it turns into what we
The color and aroma.
normally recognize as coffee beans.
Yeah.
Taking steps to keep my distance. I don't wanna fall. Am I strong enough?
There's a coffee has three varieties: the Arabica, Robusta, the Liberica. Liberica coffee आपको rare coffee सर. कम मिलता नहीं. कभी कभी एक प्लेस मिलता है. हमारे ज़्यादा मिलता है अरेबिका रोबस्टा. ये अरेबिका रोबस्टा का दो को मिक्स करके सब कॉफ़ी बनाता है. आपको कॉफ़ी ओल्ड में स्टार्टिंग से कॉफ़ी पता कर से इथियोपिया. अभी नहीं, 17th सेंचुरी बैक में इथियोपिया में आपको कॉफ़ी पता कर रहा है. हमारा इंडियन एक आदमी था बाबन बोडनगिरी. ये बाबन मन यमन जा रहा है. यमन से क्या करता है 7 सीड्स कॉफ़ी सीड्स चोरी करके लेके आ गया. ये दाढ़ी होता है ना, ये दाढ़ी के अंदर छुप के चोरी करके लेके आ गया. चोरी करके लेके आगे. स्टार्टिंग में हमारे इंडिया में काफ़ी होता है. कर्नाटक में चिकमंगलुरु में एक बाबन बोडगिरी हिल है. हिल के ऊपर बता 7 सीड्स डाल रहा है. प्लांट ग्रोथ हो गया. ठीक है जी. एक बड़ाई चिली. इसका बड़ाई चिली देखिए कितनी छोटा रहता है. इसका बहुत तीखा रहता है. ये कूर्ग में स्पेशल बनाता है. चिली वाइन, चिली सॉस सब में डालता है. 1 kg 3,600 रुपीस होता है. इसे हमारे इंडिया में सेकेंड पैसे होता है. भुज्जल का बोल के क्या था आसाम से. इसका नंबर 1. ये इंडिया में सेकेंड.
It's so small.
एक्चुअली इसका टेस्ट थोड़ा अलग रहता है. हमारा नॉर्मल चिली का थोड़ा टेस्ट थोड़ा अलग रहता है. क्या टेस्ट थोड़ा अलग है.
I think we should.
No, I'm not trying this.
बहुत spicy है ना?
You crying?
No, not yet.
Kandari. Kandari ಮೊಳಗು.
कांदारी
Kandari ಕಪ್ಪೆ.
केरला फेमस है. इसे कोकम हमारे बोलते हैं काचा पुली. एक फ्रूट आता है. ये फ्रूट का कलेक्ट कराता है. कलेक्ट करके कहते हैं हमारा ऊपर नेट में नीचे आग लगाता है. आग लगने से ड्राई होता है. ड्राई होता है ब्लैक होता है. ब्लैक आता है कूर्ग में कहते हैं पोर्क करी, चिकन करी, फिश करी, सांभर.
We all guard our small fragile hearts as we softly break it apart.
The plantation was a kaleidoscope of fragrances and flavors. A sensory trip back to Grandma's kitchen.
This does not smell like the home tulsi at all. He just crushed and gave me a bunch of leaves.
We had taken plantation tours before, but none like this one. This one was special. There are some places and some people that, even on the first visit, seem like you've known forever. Call it deja vu or life on a loop, whatever. We call it the Wheel Cafe.
I ain't afraid of the dark. 'Cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain.
How do you feel about coffee number 4 for the day?
I know. I was so excited to have it. I did not click a picture of it, but it was really nice.
And your food? What did you have?
Highly recommend. I had the pesto pasta. The arrabbiata also is supposed to be very nice. Pesto का जो flavor है वो बहुत fresh था. It was like I could actually just smell the sauce even as it was arriving.
And I had the chicken burger. It was A1. And now I'm having the coffee.
That is Kavya. She's like a friend turned regular turned ambassador, sort of ambassador for the place.
Favorite dish?
Tomato pasta.
Favorite drink?
Masala chai.
Thank you, Kavya.
Thank you.
Getting old don't bother me.
Started by Kodavas, the cafe, through the years, has been serving food for the body and for the mind that blends the traditional with the modern.
Oh, don't bother me. Truth can be a bitter pill, but it'll do you right and set you free the way a lie never will. Like climbing up the steepest hill. But truth can be.
Last time they organized it separately, so whoever came to paint the wall had an intention to paint the wall. So here, what happened was we also had a sale, so we thought there'd be more people who would be aware of this. But then people just randomly came and painted whatever.
Whatever they like movie stuff's names and
So yeah, we couldn't.
What was your motivation to,
That was more. So it is more like so that more people are aware of it.
That's the way it goes. Life will.
True to its name, the Wheel Cafe really brought us full circle on the Kodava gastronomic journey. And before we knew it, we were riding the wheel through the tranquil town of Warriors to another one of the tribe's crown jewels.
That's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you.
From one art gallery to the next, the legacy of Kodagu continued to exhibit and imprint on our eyes, palates, and souls.
Where you need to go.
Okay, what is here? That is pandi curry, that is pork curry, that is kadamputtu, rice dumplings,
This is neer dosa,
ghee dosa,
and this is Kodava
Chicken curry.
style chicken curry.
Kodava koli curry. Very authentic, very home style.
We are at Kurk Cuisine, by the way. It's supposed to be one of the oldest, so it's just running through generations.
Yeah, family owned. That's the mother, that is the son having a conversation, say hi. And the father's in the kitchen. Okay, let's dig in now.
Let's see.
Don't let it go cold.
Bon appetit.
I started 19 years back. I and my wife started.
And now it's all up to you.
Yes, that's true. My name is Subaya. I am Girish Permai.
Those pictures there of Field Marshal Karyappa.
That there's a respect here, giving respect to me.
Okay, are they related?
No, no.
So we belong to the same community. So they are Indians and we are also Indians.
Right.
So it's just for the respect and army people. A lot of people are from food, people are from army. So that we
Right.
track that.
Warriors,
Yeah,
lots of warriors
Yes.
in your community.
And that's where the pork, the pandi curry comes from.
To be a warrior, you need to eat like a warrior.
Correct, exactly.
Yeah. I loved it so much, but sadly, because I don't eat pork.
Okay.
So I wanted to try that authentic chicken, but it was too much for one person.
All right, thank you
But
so
it
much.
was really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All the best.
Visit us
Yes.
again.
Wide awake, all the memories are on replay.
We spent an entire day experiencing what it means to eat like a warrior. And at the end of it, we were at peace.
Heartbeat, every breath is filled with thoughts of you. I am so lost without you, and I don't know what to do.
It's weird how food can manipulate so many emotions, but good weird. And on that note, we bid you good night.